What is it? ...13 Temmuz 2025 tarihinde Kentucky Lexington'da havaalanı yolunda yapılan sıradan bir trafik kontrolü bir anda ölümle yaşam arasındaki çizgiye dönüştü. Rutin bir trafik kontrolü için siyah bir kamyoneti durduran polis memuru Jude Remillian hiç beklemediği bir anda silahlı saldırıya uğradı ve bacağından vuruldu. Vurulan memur can havliyle olay yerinden uzaklaşarak kendini yol kenarında bulunan bir tarlaya attı ve telsizden vurulduğunu, hızla kan kaybettiğini bildirdi. O anda yardım çağrısı ilk meslektaşlarından değil, hiç tanımadığı sivillerden geldi. Olayı gören çevredeki vatandaşlar ve saldırganın yanındaki adam, hiçbir şey düşünmeden yaralanan polis memuruna doğru yardım için koştu. Kanamasını durdurmak ve polis memurunu hayatta tutmak için el birliğiyle büyük bir mücadele başlattılar. İzleyeceğiniz görüntülerde bir polis memurunun vurulduğunu değil, vurulmuş bir insanın hayatta kalma mücadelesini ve iyi kalpli insanların onun için gösterdiği üstün çabayı izleyeceksiniz.
Shots fired. Last unit.
Go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel for me. Go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel for me. So go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel. What's going on? The reason why you're not just driving seatbelt on?
Yeah, it was.
Huh?
It was.
It was. You got the driver's license? Can you roll down the back window? What's going on, bud? Good, good. You got the driver's license on you too? You're not wearing your seatbelt. Mm-hmm. Do you have any ID on you? Go ahead and put the car in park. Keep it on park. Where you guys headed? What is it? Do you have a social? What is it? Three, four, shots fired. 4 shots fired.
Careful with your 20.
Right at the airport.
3-4, 1064.
No bleeding. Shot in the leg. Shot in the leg.
Bullet. 10-4. The start EMS, did you get a description of the vehicle? Or what they had on?
10-4 said raw subject. Just get back. Get back. Ah. Just get back. Ah. Ah. Yeah. 3-4. Help, please.
3-4, go ahead.
What are you gonna do?
Bleeding on the leg.
Tourniquet?
Yes, please.
Oh my God, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
3-4, you're not coming out.
Bleeding on the leg.
Here.
Shot in the leg.
Here. What do I do? What do I do? You know what? Just tell me what to do.
Yeah.
Turn it tight.
3-4,
Tight.
Yes.
10 on.
Bleeding on the leg.
Oh my God. Is that time? It's not time enough, is it?
Did you get a description of what the male was wearing and what directions he fled?
Where's the airport?
Here. Oh my God.
10-4 towards the airport.
Here.
204 is en route to you.
Oh my God.
Bleeding. Get some water, please. Out in the way.
Oh my God.
What do you need, buddy? 911?
Yeah.
Somebody call?
Somebody, yeah. We need a better tourniquet. Do you have a tourniquet on you? Do you have a tourniquet on you?
I got another belt.
Yes.
You got another belt?
Yeah.
I'm not, because I don't have this one good.
Is that the only place you were shot?
Yes, I think so.
Frank for 304.
You got that water?
Are you
Is help on the way?
Yeah.
911 called?
He's got a tourniquet on it. He just got one bullet.
Yes.
We saw pulling out the
Yes.
wrong way. You went there? He almost hit us too.
More water?
Yes.
This is the fresh. I just opened it.
911's already been called.
Is that the guy in the black truck? He almost hit us, dude. I was like, what is this guy doing?
If I'd have been 15 seconds earlier, he'd have knocked me right off my bike.
Did he
Frank
shoot
for
you?
304.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Belt around his leg?
It's not good. I don't have it on here. I've got it on as tight as I can twist it, but he needs another tourniquet.
Do you have a belt? We can
Yeah,
tighten
right.
Yeah.
Get up higher as high as you can.
All right, dude.
Okay. Pull your leg this way so they can get through there.
I'm sorry, man.
304.
Hey,
any more water?
Drink it all.
Yeah, just trying to keep the sun off of it. Is that good? Where is
I don't know if I can get any tighter or
your
not.
leg? Shit, lean up against me.
Over here.
I might just have to hold it.
Where is the shot? Right here?
Down here. Where Tyler's hand is. Did it go all the way through? I don't know. Yeah.
Would you like for me to do that?
Yep, it might be easier for you. I'm just trying to stand behind him so he has something to lean up against.
Josh,
she good?
More? You okay? Stay with us.
Her side.
Stay with us. Stay with us.
You're alright.
Stay awake.
We're almost here.
It's 911.
I hear sirens.
You ready for more? Just stay with us. You want me to pour it on your head a little bit? Yeah?
Alright.
Sorry, man.
No, you're fine. Just trying to keep his head up.
What happened here anyway?
The vest? You need the vest off?
I don't
You
even.
alright?
Yeah.
So what's your name?
We're sorry about this.
Who shot you, bub?
Is that guy?
The guy in the black truck that just got hit us going out.
Hey, stay with us.
He's gone.
You
Yeah, stay
okay?
awake.
Stay with
More
me.
water on your head?
You got it.
Anybody got any more water in their vehicle?
Where is water, baby? Yeah, see an ambulance coming.
I heard them, but I'm sorry, man. You just tell me what to do.
You
You ready
okay?
for another drink?
Look at me. You married? No? Got a girlfriend? Any kids?
Yes.
Yeah? How many? How many kids you got? Huh?
One.
What's her name?
We're in.
Brianne?
Yeah.
Where are you shot at, Hoss?
In the leg.
In the leg?
One in the leg.
10-4.
Ready for a drink?
What's your unit number?
304.
204?
304.
Unit number 304, go ahead. You get the airport locked down?
The truck went that way. It was a black Ford pickup. It was a newer.
It was a Dodge.
Was it Dodge? No, he just about hit us. We had to swerve over. I was like,
304 radio. You can switch to B. All units need to be on B per 204.
We need an ambulance like now.
you ready for another drink? You talk to me.
They're coming.
What was you trying to stop him for, boss?
Once.
That's
So they at least have the plate number, right?
12B.
It's my truck. It was a friend of mine asked for a ride, and when the cop got behind me, He told me to run. I said, I'm not going to run, man. Wow.
So it's no trap.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Step back over here for me.
Okay. Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, honey. Yeah. Sorry, man. You're good, right? Yeah.
Ready for another drink? I try to get somebody to get some more water up here.
Do you
Where
have
did Josh
water?
go?
He needs water.
Where did Josh go? Why is he not in the car beside him?
He's walking with her. She was crying.
Oh,
She
okay.
didn't want that. You want it on your head?
Yeah.
Anybody got a napkin? Wipe his face off just a little bit.
They got a tourniquet on.
Yeah, we got two.
We got a hell.
As best as we could do. If you got something better than... He shot right here,
You okay?
so...
So how'd you get shot?
Hey, this guy right here has all the
Can I
info.
lean back a little bit?
Huh? Lean back?
Lean back.
Just don't go out on us.
Is that good?
Okay.
You want to go up a little bit more? Or
The
you-
guy that was in the blue shirt, talk to him. He can give you all the info. Where you want it at?
Yeah.
Put it right down here.
Yeah, because I was telling you shoot.
Stay with me, dude.
Stay up. Hey, water.
But I was terrified.
Could you let me know if you need ambulance?
You okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need everybody here. This is gonna be a state trooper that's been shot.
He said he would pull the guy over for warrants. This guy over here in the blue shirt, I think it might have been his truck. And when he got behind him, the guy tells him to run. And he's like, no, I'm not running. So he gets out of the truck and the other guy steals his truck, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, but he knows everything.
We come up, the truck almost hit us.
All right, sir. This is gonna hurt on your leg.
This guy's over here laying in the grass.
Release
See this here.
or hold? Is it shot
I'll
more
lean
than
back a
once?
little bit.
Yep. How far back is he allowed to go? Can he go all the way down?
He can lay all the way down.
Can you pour it on your forehead? Just don't go out on the side, brother.
And she's just going to be right up in the corner. Operator's going to be right up in the corner.
I won't put it in your eyes or your hose or nothing like that. Can you give me?
More water. I don't know if it's cool, but
Can we pour it in there?
11:44.
You ready for it? You want a drink or no? Here's a lot small.
Let them know that
Okay.
they are going the wrong way. It's going to be at the airport. I need them at the airport.
Another shot?
Oh, yes.
You need more? Yeah. I'm gonna pour it across your forehead and you go back, okay? Cool you off a little bit. I'm gonna pour it on your neck a little bit. Is that good?
Because the shooter is here at the airport. We have measure on the way.
I'm afraid to. These guys out here, as soon as they step
I'm seeing
in.
them all past the airport. They're passing unmanned war.
Polis memurunu vuran kişinin 47 yaşındaki rap şarkıcısı Guy House olduğu ve zanlının 7 ayrı suçtan kesinleşmiş hüküm giydiği denetimli serbestlik şartıyla Ocak 2025'te serbest bırakıldığı belirtilmiştir. Olay sonrası yaklaşık 25 kilometre kaçan House, uzaklaştırma aldığı sevgilisinin yanına gitmek üzere Richmond Road Baptist Kilisesi civarına giderek sevgilisini aramış. Bulamayınca kilisede bulunan 2 kişiyi yaralamış, 2 kişinin ise hayatına son vermiştir. Hayatlarını kaybeden kişilerin 72 yaşındaki Beverly Gum ve 34 yaşındaki kızı Christina Combs olduğu açıklanmıştır. Bu kişilerin zanlıyla hiçbir bağlantısı olmadığı, yalnızca kilisede bulunmaları nedeniyle hayatlarını kaybettikleri belirtilmiştir. Zanlı Guy House, kilise katliamının ardından polisle girdiği çatışmada etkisiz hale getirilmiştir. Olay, Kentucky halkını derinden yaralamış ve büyük bir şok etkisi yaratmıştır. Ayrıca olay, tüm ülke basınında geniş yer bulmuştur. Olay sonrası yaralanan polis memuruna müdahale eden ve onu hayatta tutan Jimmy Alexander, Jessica Alexander, Taylor Hall ve Bluegrass havaalanında görevli memur olan Adam Arnold'a Kentucky Colonel unvanı verilmiştir. Bu unvan, kayda değer başarıları, topluma, eyalete veya ulusa yaptığı katkıları ve üstün hizmetleri tanınan kişilere valilik tarafından verilen bir ödüldür. Bu tarz içeriklerin gelmesini istiyorsanız lütfen beğenmeyi ve abone olmayı unutmayın. Başka bir olayda görüşmek üzere, hoşça kalın.